In this video, I want to show you one of the latest custom integrations I'm using, HA WashData. It's a custom component that monitors your washing machine via a smart socket, making a dumb washing machine smart. It works great in combination with the custom washing machine card. I'm not sure how to say the creator's name, I think maybe it's Lucas, but you can find the link in the description. Let me first show you how to install the custom integration. For that, we copy the GitHub URL and add it to Hux as a custom repository. Make sure you pick integration here. Now we can download the new integration. Once that's done, we have to restart Home Assistant to be able to use it. Let's do that real quick. Once Home Assistant is back up, the initial configuration is actually really simple. We go to Integrations, Add Integration and add HA WashData. We give it a name and we need to pick the entity of the energy monitoring smart plug. We can now create a first profile. A cycle is a complete run of your appliance, for example load of laundry. A profile groups these cycles by type, like cotton, quick wash. So basically, creating a profile is like creating one of the programs on your washing machine. Later, we can manually select these profiles to be part of like different cycles. Device name washing machine, and our washing machine is in the bathroom. Here we can see the washing machine which is running right now. To get the most out of this integration, the configuration takes a bit more time. I've been testing the integration the last couple weeks, so let's switch to my personal Home Assistant and let me show you what you can do there. On the integrations page here you can see I have two devices, my dishwasher and my washing machine. If we click the configuration here, we can change the device settings. In here you can add quite a lot of functionality. For example, if you go to settings, make sure you pick the right device type. You can change the power sensor entity. You can change the settings here, like how long the circuit should be delayed or what the minimum power threshold should be. But you can also add notifications, for example, and pick a notification service and events to notify, like circuit start or when a circuit finishes. There's also a lot of advanced features, which for now I left on default, but there's a handy tool that recommends settings based on your usage. Next up is Manage Cycles. Here you can see all the recorded cycles of your devices. You can label a cycle, see the auto-label history, delete a cycle or merge cycles if there was an interruption. Let's label a cycle together. You can see some of my cycles have been labeled automatically. But the profile for this one is missing, so let's add a new profile. This is a short program, so I will call it Express, which is the label on our washing machine. The next setting is Profiles. As you can see, I have two profiles, Pflegeleicht and the one we just created, Express. You can create new profiles here, edit/rename profiles, delete profiles and see profile statistics. You should create a profile for each program you use on your washing machine. We only really use these two, so I only created those. When creating or editing a new profile, you can add the expected times in minutes. This was actually a feature request from me and the creator was very quick to implement it. Let's look at the profile statistics real quick because I think it's very interesting to see. You can see how the energy draw looks like and maybe better understand how the integration works. It also shows how much energy one run draws, which is very helpful to see. Lastly, we have Diagnostics and Maintenance. Honestly, I haven't used this yet, so probably you won't need as well. Here you can see the options. However, as I said, in normal use, I don't think you will need it much. As far as I understand, the more time you spend configuring everything and labeling cycles, the better the integration will get at detecting the right program. So spend some time here if you want to. To show your new washing machine data on your dashboard, I updated my washing machine card to work with this new integration. Instead of the workaround with a custom sensor, it now uses the provided entities directly. This is much cleaner and easier to install. Just make sure you add the correct sensors to the entity and variables of the card. If you want to use this card, you can find a link in the description. I hope you enjoyed the video and got some inspiration for your own dashboard. If you did, I would really appreciate it if you liked the video and subscribe to my channel. If you need help with any of the cards, feel free to join our Discord server. Check out my other videos in which I create more custom cards, show off cool Hux cards and a tour of my personal dashboard. I also plan on doing some more live streams in the future. Thanks for watching.